Welcome to a video on structural design and drawing 3. Today's agenda is to go through an illustrative example on the calculation of design shear reinforcement. Let us go through the statement. Using the codal provisions in IS 1343-2012, determine ultimate shear resistance of the support section. Section is unsymmetrical I section with overall depth of 1000 mm, width of wave 150 mm, top flange 500 mm by 250 mm and bottom flange 350 mm by 300 mm. The beam is subjected to pre-stressing force of 1597.47 kN at an eccentricity of 50 mm above the centroidal above the neutral axis at support and 150 mm below the neutral axis at midspan. Take loss ratio as 80. Take loss ratio as 0.80. The ultimate shear force of 227.1 kN exists at support section. Consider FCK equal to 40 MPa. Design the support section for limit state of collapse shear. This was a 5 marks question in semester exam. This was a 5 marks question in semester examination in the year 2019-20. Let us note down the given data. The pre-stressing force P is 1597.47 kN. Eccentricity at support E1 is minus 50 mm. The negative sign indicates eccentricity is above the centroidal axis. Eccentricity at midspan E2 is 150 mm. Ultimate shear at the support section is 227.1 kN. The loss ratio eta is 0.80 and the grade of concrete FCK is 40 Newton per mm square. The objective is to design the support section for the limit state of collapse shear. Let us draw the section from the given details. All the dimensions of the unsymmetrical I section are given. The top flange is 500 mm by 250 mm. The bottom flange is 350 mm by 300 mm. The wave has a width of 150 mm and the overall depth is 1000 mm. So the depth of wave becomes 450 mm. Let us calculate the area of cross section of the concrete. So area of cross section is area of top flange plus wave plus bottom flange. Right. So we get the total area as 2,97,500 mm square. The next we have to calculate the shear resistance of the section uncracked in flexure. Referring to clause 23.4, page 32, IS 1343-2012, we get the ultimate shear resistance of the section uncracked in flexure is given by the formula 0.67 BD root over FT square plus 0.8 FCP into FT. where Ft is 0.24 root FCK. So if we put the value of FCK equal to 40 Newton per mm square, we get Ft as 1.518 Newton per mm square. FCP is the direct compressive stress due to pre-stress alone, which can be calculated by the formula FCP equal to P by A. So if we put the value of pre-stressing force and the concrete area of cross section, we get the FCP as 5.37 Newton per mm square. B here is the width of the wave and the capital D stands for the overall depth of the section. So if you put values over here, then we get VCO equal to 298.56 kilonewton, which is greater than the ultimate shear force given as 227.1 kilonewton. However, as per the IS clause, if we check it for 0.5 VCO or VC, then 0.5 VC is 149.28 kilonewton, which is less than the ultimate shear force. So, referring to the clause 23.4.3.1 on page 33 of IS 1343/2012, minimum shear reinforcement shall be provided. So consider Fe415 8 mm phi two-legged shear reinforcement. The spacing of the shear reinforcement can be calculated by using the formula given in IS 1343 as SV equal to 0.87 Fy ASV upon 0.4 B, where Fy is the grade of steel, ASV is the area of shear reinforcement, and B is the width of section. Putting all the values in the equation, we get the spacing required is 601.75 mm center to center. Now this spacing shall be checked with the maximum permissible spacing. So maximum permissible spacing as per IS 1343 clause 23.4.3.2 on page 34 is the maximum spacing shall be less than or equal to 0.75 dt or 4 times the width of the wave. Now the depth of the steel from the extreme compressive fiber, that is the effective depth dt, is not given, so we shall only consider the criteria SV shall be greater than less than or equal to 4 times the width of wave. Putting the value of width of wave as 150, which is given in the example, we get the maximum permissible spacing to be 600 mm. Therefore, adopt 8 mm phi two-legged shear reinforcement at 600 mm center to center.